everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make pori pori kyuri. Pori pori is onomatopoeic word describing something crunchy. So pori pori kyuri is very crunchy cucumber pickles. It takes some time, but the outcome is wonderful. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this pori pori kyuri. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some cucumbers, either Japanese or Chinese. Skinny one with thin skin. It's about 1 kilo. Some ginger, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons each of sugar, rice vinegar, and mirin, 1 tablespoon of salt, some dried chili pepper, and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Let's cut all these cucumbers. Cut both ends off. And just make 5mm slices. And put them all in the large bowl. Same for the rest of the cucumbers. All done. Let's add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. And I'm going to leave it for 2 hours with something heavy on top to bring out the moisture. So let's put this plate upside down. Then cast iron pot or anything heavy you have in your kitchen. Just be creative. Let's leave it for 2 hours. Left for 2 hours. And you can see a lot of water came out from the cucumber. Take some and squeeze it really, really well. No mercy. Like this, and into another bowl. Okay, all done. This much water came out from the cucumber. You don't need this water, so you can throw it away. Let's try some ginger. Peel the skin using spoon. Make thin slices. Then into thin strips. All into the bowl of cucumber. Put all these remaining ingredients, other than the sesame seeds, into the pot. Soy sauce, mirin, vinegar, sugar, and chili pepper. Turn the heat on and just bring it to boil. Okay, let's add the hot seasonings into the bowl of cucumber. Give it a mix. And cool it down to room temperature. I left it for an hour and it's room temperature. And I'm going to heat up the broth one more time. So let's put it back into the pot. Strainer on the pot. And let's strain. And cucumbers back into the bowl. Turn the heat on and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, pour it all over the cucumber. Give it a mix. And let it cool down to room temperature. Left for an hour and it's room temperature. Let's make the sesame seeds. Just mix it in. Put it in the Ziploc container. Put the lid on and let it sit in the fridge, at least overnight. It's day 2 and here is Pori Pori Cutie I chilled in the fridge overnight. You can see it's completely pickled and it's all browned inside out. So it's done. It can last about a week in the fridge, but I think it will be all gone in 2 or 3 days because you can't stop eating it. Mmm! how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Pori pori kyuri is a side, so let's put it here. Japanese potato salad for the other side. Anything you like for the other dishes, but how about pirikara butadon here, which will also cover the main, and lettuce miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!